Are you looking for the best hot plates in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best hot plates that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Cooktop 8100 MegaCoulombs Movable Induction Cooktop 1800W, Gold. This countertop burner has been on the market for quite some time and still ranks among the best hot plates in 2022. The gold-colored piece is very effective and energy efficient, 1800 watts. It runs on 120 volts AC and features 10 temperature settings starting from a low 140 degrees Fahrenheit and a maximum of 460 degrees Fahrenheit. The cooktop is compact, lightweight and doesn't take up lots of space. For easy control, it features adjustable control panel. The unit's main pros are wide temperature range, high performance, good heating, sturdy construction, and easy to operate and clean. Number 4. Secura 9100 MegaCoulombs Movable Induction Cooktop, 1800W, Black. The Secura 9100 MegaCoulombs is popular in both homes and commercial establishments. The 1800-watt unit has good heating and a wide temperature range starting from 200 watts all the way to 1800 watts. This makes it a good choice for different cooking methods and meals. The unit is designed for a maximum temperature of 460 degrees Fahrenheit, whereas the lowest is 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It is very trendy thanks to the black color and polished surface. The main merits are high performance, wide temperature setting, easy to operate and also clean. Number 3. Cuisinart CB60 Cast Iron, Stainless Steel Double Burner. Comprising of 2 heavy-duty cast iron plates, this hot plate is famed for its high performance and simplicity. The bigger plate is 1300 watts and will handle larger meals, whereas the smaller 500-watt plate is ideal for small meals. The unit has 2 separate temperature controls with 6 settings each to handle different meals. It has non-slip legs for good stability and indicator lights for added safety. Its main positives include good heating, easy to adjust temperature, non-slip feet, and easy maintenance. Number 2. New Wave Picked Gold Precision Induction Cooktop 10.5-inch, Black. This black induction cooktop is the perfect solution to your cooking requirements. It is simple and practical for use indoors and outdoors. The black-colored unit is said to be more energy efficient than most of its rivals and will conserve up to 70% of the energy. The 52 temperature settings within 100 to 575 degree Fahrenheit range will handle different foods. Other than easy cleaning and wide temperature range, consumers also love this hot plate for its energy efficiency, reliability, and sturdy construction. Number 1. Oventi 1500W Countertop Infrared Burner, Ceramic Double Plate. This hot plate is among the fastest when it comes to heating. The 1500-watt unit comes with 2 hot plates each delivering 750 watts. It's made from stainless steel for extra steel and has a brushed finish for elegance and simple cleaning. The 120-volt AC infrared burner can handle different foods and utensils. Consumers love the quick heating, consistency, smooth and stylish finish, and non-slip feet that ensure it stays firm on the spot. It's also attractive and easy to clean. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.